Hello everyone, Henry here, and welcome to the course on building solutions and applications with ChatGPT. In this video, I want to go through exactly what you will learn in this course to make sure it's right for you, and we will also go through what you won't learn in this course because that is equally as important as well. Now, ChatGPT is most likely the most popular model that's out there right now. It's a natural language processing model, and if you've used it at all, it's loads of fun. It's very smart, and it can generate anything, especially creative things. For example, you can ask it to generate marketing emails for you. You can ask it to generate slogans for you. You can ask it to generate exam questions for you. There's many different use cases. However, what I found is that many people only interact with ChatGPT using the interface, the conversation interface within OpenAI, but they don't know what actually sits behind those models. Furthermore, they don't know how to actually integrate the ChatGPT models in their applications, and that would be so powerful. For example, I had a coworker who would use ChatGPT to basically copy his emails from Outlook into the system and have the system summarize it for him. But I told him there's a better way to do that. Why not integrate ChatGPT with Outlook and create an app that does that for you? And that's what this course is really about. Now, there is no other course in the Udemy market out there that I've seen that does this. Most courses focus on how to create a prompt, how to make money with ChatGPT, how to use this platform to answer different problems. What we'll do, however, is we'll break down, first of all, what OpenAI is and how there's actually 3 different models within OpenAI. There's GPT-3, there's Codex, and there's DALL-E. GPT is what you're familiar with. That's what ChatGPT is based on. There's also Codex, which basically focuses on translating natural language into code. And then there's DALL-E, which is a picture generator, which is really cool too. But what we'll focus on is how do you integrate these smart models that people have built into your day-to-day tools. We'll focus on business solutions. So we'll, for example, look at how do you integrate OpenAI into Outlook, into Power Apps, into Teams, Power Automate, and Excel. Now, this is very Microsoft focused, but after you learn how to integrate it in one business solution, many others become very apparent as well. We'll also learn how to integrate your OpenAI models into standalone applications. Now, the reason why I've chosen these applications is because there are many business reasons why people use Airtable, Azure Functions, Bubble, for example. Now, you can always create and implement ChatGPT with a website like JavaScript or React or anything like that, but it's very powerful to create a no-code application using ChatGPT using Bubble, for example, or Airtable or Webflow. So that's the apps that I wanted to focus on particularly. And that's what this whole course is about. How do you get the powerful model ChatGPT into your business solutions and create business extensions and applications? And how do you integrate that into a standalone app using Bubble, Airtable, Zapier, and many different countless ones that are out there? Okay, perfect. Now, again, what this course teaches is the different AI models under OpenAI, key concepts, advantages, and disadvantages. We'll also go through practical use cases of GPT in a work or business setting. We'll look at the different use cases and the different things that ChatGPT can do. We'll go through how it can help you, ways you can make money and solutions using ChatGPT. But again, we won't stop there. We'll then look at how to leverage the OpenAI API and bring ChatGPT to your business solution and application. We'll talk about how you can integrate the ChatGPT API into common business applications like Outlook, Power Apps, and so on. We'll again talk about how you also fully integrate ChatGPT into web applications like Bubble and Airtable. And finally, and this is probably the most exciting part, and honestly, some would argue the most valuable part, we'll actually go through a full application and solution walkthrough of ChatGPT. We'll recreate award-winning apps that use ChatGPT. For example, we'll create an app that is a cover letter generator. We'll create an app that allows users to actually create stock photos within Power Apps. we'll create an app in Teams that uses ChatGPT as well as a chatbot. And there are many different use cases as well. Now, the one thing I do want to mention before I forget is what this course does not teach. This course will not go into the mathematical theory behind the models, or how the models are built, or how they intrinsically work, how neural nets work, how natural language processing work, everything like that. Because for our purposes, we're on the business side of things, right? So we don't necessarily care how the underlying model works. What we want to do is take that technology and bring it to business solutions and to standalone apps. And again, that's what this course is all about. Awesome. Let's move on to the next video.